Are you coming inside? It's minus 42. And you've been out here for a little bit. Lushka. Lushka, mommy's cold. Lushka, come on inside. Lushka, stop ignoring me. Lushka, in the house. Fine.
Windmill mode is officially engaged as this spotted pup treats the snow shovel handle like a dizzying carnival ride.
OK， 好，小心点啊！下去，你准备好了吗？完了，狗去找他去了。
我的！
别不脸的。
Good go, do it like that. Walking is clearly for amateurs when you can use your chest as a high-speed toboggan through the fresh powder.
Otto. Come on, buddy. We can't stay out all night. What are you doing?
I have treats. Does anybody? Oh. I have treats though. Do you guys want to come in for a treat? Maybe? Maybe you do? Okay, I'll revisit. Oh, you do? Yes! Just come in here with your furry self. That's right.
Pioneering the winter games, this clever pup decided he didn't need a human to help him master the art of the perfect downhill sled run.
Come here, babies. Come on.
I get it. It's finally good stuff.
Gravity is clearly doing all the heavy lifting for this pup as he transforms into a furry torpedo on the world's most natural slip and slide.
Hi, darling. You want to go potty? Do you want to go outside and go potty? I know I woke you up, but do you want to go outside and go potty? Do you want to go potty?
Regret hits this doxy instantly as he decides that his stylish winter coat is better suited for the couch than for touching a single snowflake.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
What are you doing? Why are you doing that? What are you doing, Bubby?
Inventing a new winter sport, this clever pup realized that a snow shovel is actually a premium ball launching device if you time the drop just right.
Não. Essas dagens, aquele cara para te ajustar. What's going on? Look at me.
I think I'm gonna turn on the fireplace. You like that?
Calculating the trajectory of his icy prize, this golden boy prepares for a high-stakes catch that is roughly 90% air and 10% brain freeze.
Parkour! 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 Extreme! Parkour! Parkour!
This is Parkour, internet sensation of 2004.
Push.
Realizing that the entire backyard is basically one giant calorie-free slushie, this pup decided to stop walking and start a buffet-style dining experience. Puncturing the frozen fortress, this determined pup decided that a solid sheet of ice was merely a crunchy obstacle between him and the outside world.
What are you doing? No, don't roll it. And no, don't roll it.
Oh, you got your coat on. You put. Oh my God, really?
Really? Are you kidding me? Harley. No, what the? What the? Harley.
Just come right on in, buddy.
Look at Kai. No, but this way. Come on.
Recapping our favourite winter warriors, it's clear these pups believe snow isn't just for walking, it's for shoveling, sliding and solo sledding. Thanks for joining our chilly adventurers. Remember, every snow day is a chance for pure, unadulterated dog logic. Stay warm and until next time.